Mm-hmm. 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 Let's go.
Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making banana pudding. You will need 4 bananas, 1 box of Nilla wafers, 4 cups of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of heavy cream, 2/3 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, 8 egg yolks, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1.5 teaspoons of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of salt. To make the whipped cream, pour the heavy cream in a chilled bowl. Then using a mixer, mix until your cream foam peaks. Be careful not to overmix or your cream will turn into butter. Now set the whipped cream aside until later. To make the pudding, make sure your burner is on medium-low. Then add the milk and egg yolk to the pot and whisk until well combined. Now add the sugar, flour, and salt and mix until combined. Continue mixing occasionally until your pudding begins to thicken. Once the pudding has reached your desired thickness, add the butter, almond extract, and vanilla extract and mix until well combined. Now turn off your heat and allow your pudding to cool for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir in the whipped cream. In a baking dish, add a layer of your Nilla wafer cookies, then the bananas, then the pudding. If you'd like a printable version of this recipe, please visit my website at soulfoodcooking101.com. A link is in the description below. Now add a second layer of cookies, banana, and pudding. Top with a final layer of cookies, then allow your banana pudding to sit in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello.